Hey guys, how are you? So, this is my new woodshop slash pattern making slash, I don't know, whatever you'd call it. Yeah, so this you'd probably recognise as the old woodworking, the old metalworking shop, engineering shop, and you'd be right. Anyway, so what we're doing today is I just wanted to do a little video slash short on some of the wood turning stuff. So I got my first wood lathe, been having a real big fun with it. I've been having a lot of fun with it, and I think I'd just like to do a little video on it. Now, disclaimer, I'm not a professional wood turner. I'm a guy in a shed who just about knows what they're doing, and I wouldn't even say knows what they're doing to some degree. Just enjoy it. I just enjoy it. So that's your disclaimer. If you do it at your own risk. But would like to do a video on it, and what we're going to be doing today is making some of these candlestick holders. Now these are a beautiful project and really simple. Now I'm making these out of oak because that's why I have an hand, but you can make them out of whatever you'd like. These are just a beautiful thing to make, and I really enjoy it. So let's go. there you have it. So the point of this video isn't to prove I'm an expert in wood turning or anything like that. It's basically just my way of saying get out there and make something. You don't have to have the best of everything to do something. You don't have to have loads of money. You know, it's just about getting out there and making something. That's the main point of all these videos. And yeah, it's just getting out there and making something. So I've had a lot of fun with this wood turning. There was a lot of mistakes, and I'm sure you turners can see where I'm getting catches and I'm ripping out bits of material and all that. Do you know what? That's just part of the process though. So the whole idea of this is to learn pattern making for the foundries, for some of my companies, for making the foundry patterns, and I will take you along with that. But I think it's fantastic because the ability to make something, or the skill to make something, and then to gift, or to make and create, and then to make money to give to family. Does that make sense? I don't know if I'm making any sense, but that's it. Go out there, make something, have fun. All the links for everything in the description will, all my links will be in the description. And yes, I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.